Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify make.com scenarios with execution logs, full guide step by step clearly. To verify make.com scenarios using execution logs, start by logging into your make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where your scenarios are listed. Select the scenario you wish to verify. Click on the scenario name to open its details. Look for the execution history section in the scenario details page. Here, you will see a list of recent executions of the scenario. Click on the most recent execution entry to view its details. Review the execution status, noting whether it completed successfully or encountered errors. If there were errors, check the error messages for specific details. Scroll down to view the execution log of the scenario. In this log, you will find a step-by-step breakdown of the scenario's actions. Identify each module's input and output data and pay close attention to any discrepancies between expected and actual outputs. Common issues might include incorrect data formats or missing parameters. If necessary, click on individual modules to access their detailed logs. Here, you can see how each module processed the data it received. Take note of any warning signs or failed steps that may require troubleshooting. After reviewing the logs, consider making adjustments to the scenario if needed. Once changes are made, you can run a test execution to verify their effectiveness. Return to the execution history to monitor the results of your test run. This process will help ensure your make.com scenario operates as intended. Finally, document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.